everyone, I am Agrini Sharma and you are watching the very first episode of brand new TIT podcast series where you will get a chance to learn from the best. Join us for engaging discussions, industry experts, faculties and alumni sharing their experiences and knowledge. But in the very first episode, we have the brilliant minds of TIT technocrats breaking norms not only in the academics but in tech and sports as well. We have everyone Anshika, Aryan and Prakhar with us.
Hello everyone, I am Anshika Chaurasia, a proud student at TIT Technocrats, an ambitious CSE student, proud to be among top 4, a meticulous learner and always eager to explore new opportunities.
Hello everyone, I am Aryan, student of TIT Excellence. You will see me at events, fests, debates, basically everywhere there is a mic. And when I am not talking, probably I am playing chess, making smart moves as a president of chess club.
Hello everyone, I am Prakhar Srivastava, a techie guy. I am 3-star at CodeShip. I was a sales panelist in 2024 and also I am a coordinator in incubation cell.
So, hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, let me start. So, how you people imagine your college life would be? Is it going to be like Karan Johar movie film or straight out of Dharma Productions?
Agrini, Dharma Productions? Seriously? I thought it would be all about motivational speech, but instead of this, it was submit your documents and sit down quietly.
I was lost in the excellence and struggled to find my class for the first time.
At least you find your class now. What happened with me, I just followed a random guy as I didn't know anything and which led me to college canteen or but the samosa was really tasty, so it was okay, right?
Mine was even worse than your experiences, guys. I entered in a wrong department. I attended half of the lecture, ECE lecture particularly, after realizing that I am a CSE student.
So guys, it's been around 3 years, right? So from the start we entered the college. How has been your journey so far?
It's about 3 years, but it feels like that I entered the college yesterday.
True.
The people who know me knows me that I'm involved in many things, including the chess tournament, international chess tournament, basically conducted by Unicorn Chess Agency. Aryan will know.
Yeah, I know.
Chess event.
I do.
So you also participated?
Yeah, I do. I did participate. I was the player, so I wasn't able.
I was the volunteer.
Yeah.
I got the opportunity to be assistant arbiter, and there was such a big of opportunity that I got because of TIT Excellence conducting the event.
Great.
And there are countless opportunities that I got. I was first in Coding Quest, I was second in Code Sprint, and then I'm head coordinator at Incubation Cell, and then so on.
Oh, great. So my experience was just like from the very start in the beginning, full of snaps and stories of the building of excellence and the TIT. Later on, initially actually I was very confused that whether my decision is right or wrong, because whether I chose in the right department or the right college or not. But eventually I ended up being Toys Institute topper and 4 times branch topper.
Wow.
So I guess it was all worth it, and yes, many things yet to conquer, right?
Basically, first sem is all about chaos, laughter, and why did I choose that moments. Honestly, every semester taught me something new. And looking back, seriously, it's been an amazing ride. Plus, I managed to be in top 5 in branch, so not all chaos, I guess.
True.
Right. Like you all guys was really into academics, right?
Yeah.
But from the school days,
No, Prakhar was in tech and the chess too, right?
yeah, it was voluntary, I guess, yeah. So I was basically from the school days, I was into chess really. So when I entered, I explored a lot of things, but my specific goal was to find chess club so that I can pursue.
From the initial first semester.
Yeah, I just wanted
great.
to get there. Yeah, so when I looked for it, I got to know there is a club, and the seniors, the coordinators, and most important, the sports heads, our Sharma sir. He is very helpful. He was very helpful. He just supported me so much. Like everyone was so cooperated. They led me. Like, how do I say? It is very. Wait. It is very. Under the guidance of them, I secured gold medal at RGBV
Wow.
States. It was one of the achievement. I will
Gold.
give the credits to my seniors.
Obviously, you should.
Yeah.
Guys, don't you think that Saturdays are meant to be holidays so we can enjoy our
Weekends.
weekends?
That's very true. Even I feel that it should be off on Saturdays. Like, obviously, we are like in teen.
Probably.
Yeah, we should enjoy. But what I get to know is that our college, TIT, organizes club activities. You know, club activities. In this, what happens?
I'm the president of the blogging club, so
I know.
obviously I know.
I knew that, but I'm just telling that the specialty, like having 44 club,
True.
like
True.
covering all the fields
Exactly.
a student will likely to explore. It is giving this much of
Opportunities. to us.
opportunities they want to. Yeah. So this was like I can manage Saturday being in college,
Nice.
not regretting that it should be holiday, right?
True.
So,
Okay, everyone, that was about just the club activities, right? What about the cultural activities? You people are really interested in cultural activities or what something?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. Agrani, how can you forget about the Hola? The year starts with it.
And ends with Christmas.
Sure.
And what's not in between? Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Holi, and recently we celebrated Navratri.
Yes, the Garba one, right? I remember. But actually, what I remember was the concert night.
What concert night?
Don't you remember last time Ashish called?
Exactly.
Shilpa Rao, Nikita
Yeah.
Gandhi, Aziz Kaur.
Oh,
And many
he's
more.
a techie one, na? Techie guy.
Techie guy.
Understood.
So, guys, our main focus and ultimate goal is placements. What's about that?
There are so many campus drive on TIT, including Capgemini, TCS, Mindtree.
Alongside, there's India's first code experience lab,
Yes.
and also the KPIT lab.
KPIT lab, Capgemini lab.
Exactly.
And the major one, training and placement cell.
Yeah, true.
Is like
True.
So, guys, what's after the placement?
placement day, right?
Oh, I got the 2 trophies in the placement day by Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister.
Nice.
Yeah.
As you know that TIT Excellence has opened Incubation Cell. Incubation Cell is basically a place where startups are incubated and released in market. That's a very great opportunity for people, it's a very great opportunity for students to start their own startups, own projects and ideas.
You're working there as a coordinator, right?
Yes, I'm a coordinator and also in a technique.
Oh, nice. What kind of work you do in the ISL? Like, how do you promote and what kind of projects you are working on? I guess it's live projects, right?
Yeah, we have some live projects, startups, basically, where there we have ideas that we try to implement on market.
Oh.
We have currently the Upasthiti is completed, it's being alpha tested.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. That's great.
This was the tech side, but you know, like I have interest in sports like chess basically. So I want to thanks to my mentors, like the procedure of selecting a good team is very difficult. Like we are going to represent technocrats in between, like in front of other colleges like
RGPB Nautilus, I got it.
RGPV Nautilus, right. So what happens there is basically the selection procedure was not it was difficult.
Okay.
But like my story was like when I was in the first semester, what happened actually that I was a bit late. I came very late and get to know about that thing. I was discovering as I told you. So what happened? My seniors said that the registration has been done, but I challenged them ki I want to participate as I was very interested.
TIT is students typically.
Yeah. Just having competitive mind.
Huh.
So what I did, the top 70 players, they were the finalists. But I asked them, I requested actually, okay, I should also play. I can play better. I just said that. And then what happened?
You just challenge your seniors. Is it
Yeah,
like so?
it was kind of that. It was
the first
like,
semester.
Yeah. So it was
Audacity.
like, yeah. So what happened? I was able to beat 4 of them, top 4, and then I got selected. And after that, we have to clear nodals, and I secured a very good rank. But because of the draw, I secured silver. I was not disappointed, but it was
That's
okay.
not bad. Silver is
Yeah.
not bad.
But I was aiming
Now the
for
president seat is worth it to be there.
then I secured gold, and it is like
Right.
I justified my designation, I guess.
Nice.
Agrini, I have seen your book.
Yeah, it is on Amazon Kindle now. Don't you purchase it?
I just read it. I'll get to know about how was
Okay,
your...
let me tell you about this. Actually, I wrote a biographical memorial of my father. So I just explained whatever was my journey, right, and whatever my experiences I mentioned in that, and it is available on the Amazon Kindle. Yes, so do purchase it. I was very upset with it. Like, you don't.
I already purchased it.
I know. Just
Definitely I will give it.
okay.
We hope you laugh.
Got inspired.
Remember your own college days.
And in the next upcoming sessions, we will streamline you with experienced faculty, proud alumni, and industry experts, and of course, our viewers. Thank you. And we love TIT Technocrats.